Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mixpanel, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Mixpanel, start by visiting the official Mixpanel website. Once there, click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill out the required fields, such as your email address and password, to sign up. After registering, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and follow the link to activate your account. Now, log into your Mixpanel dashboard. You will see options to create a new project. Click on Create a new project. Enter a name for your project and choose a corresponding. Once created, you will be directed to the project settings. Locate the project token on this page. You will need this token for integrating Mixpanel into your application. Next, decide on the platform you're using, such as web or mobile. If you're integrating into a web application, copy the JavaScript snippet provided. Paste the snippet into the header of your HTML files. Ensure the token from your project settings is included in the snippet. For mobile applications, you can find SDKs for Android and iOS. Download the SDK appropriate for your platform. Follow the installation instructions for your chosen SDK. Make sure to initialize the SDK with your project token as shown in the documentation. Once the SDK is integrated, you can start tracking events. To track an event, use the Mixpanel.track function in your code. Include a name for the event and any relevant properties to collect additional data. After the setup, return to your Mixpanel dashboard. You can now see real-time data from your application. Explore the various analysis tools available to visualize and understand user behavior. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Mixpanel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.